Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the Master of the Day of Judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, Mathematics Chapter 13, New Syllabus Mathematics D3 O Level, and Practice Note 6 is there is a circle with center O, and POS is the diameter, whereas RO and QP are the parallel lines, and angle ROS is 50 degree, and we have to find angle OPR. OPR, we have to find this angle, and I name it as angle A. Angle QOR, this angle, and I name it as angle B, and angle PHQ, and I name it as angle C. So students, keep in mind that QP is parallel to RO and angle ROS is 50 degree. We have to find angle RPO, that is A, angle QOR, that is angle B, and angle PHQ, that is angle C. So students, first we have to understand the diagram. First, ignore the line RP and just think that QP is parallel to RO and PS is the transversal line. So angle QPO will be equal to angle ROS. These angles are called corresponding angles because both the angles are above the parallel lines and on the one same side of the transversal line. So angle QPO will be equal to ROS. First we have to write angle angle QPO is congruent to angle ROS, and you can write corresponding angles. And if you want to give more clarity, write QP is parallel to RO, as QP is parallel to RO and PS is the transversal line, and both the angles, angle QPO and ROS, on the above of the parallel lines and on the same side of transversal line. So these two angles are corresponding angle and both will be congruent. Now students, ignore the line QO, and there will be a triangle PRO in which OR and OP are congruent because both are the radii of same circle. So if angle P is of A degree, then angle R will also be a degree. Clear students? And angle ROS will be the exterior angle of triangle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So A plus A will be 50 degree, and the value of A is 50. 50 over 2, and that is 25. And then this angle will also be 25 because angle QPO is congruent to angle ROS, and if angle A is 25 degree, then this angle QPR will also be 25 degree. So we will solve it now, and it is written as in triangle PRO, OP is congruent to OR, and the reason is radii of circle. So angle RPO is congruent to angle PRO, and if angle PRPO is A degree, then angle PRO will also be A, so it will be equal to angle PRO. Now students, we will write exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Interior angles, it is a formula, you have to learn it. Angle ROS is an exterior angle of triangle RPO. So exterior angle will be equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So 50 degree is equal to angle R is 8 degree and angle P is also 8 degree. So 50 degree is equal to 2A and 50 degree over 2 is equal to A, and the value of A is 25 degree. So we have find it out angle RPO, OPR or RPO, and that is 25 degree. Now students, look at angle QPO, angle QPO, it is equal to angle QPHR plus angle RPO. Now students, angle QPO is of 50 degree, as we have proved it already, because these two angles are corresponding angle. So in place of angle QPO, I will write 50 degree is equal to angle QPR. We have to find angle QPR plus angle RPO is A, and we have found out that the value of A is 25 degree. So 25 is plus on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus. So 50 degree minus 25 degree is equal to angle QPR, and subtract 25 from 50 and we will have 25 degree is equal to angle QPR, and this angle is also of 25 degree. Now students, angle QPR is circumangle of this large earth, and angle QOR is central angle. So central angle is equal to twice of circumangle. Here I will write a formula. Central angle is equal to twice of circumangle. Angle QOR is central angle. Angle QOR is central angle, and circumangle is angle QPR. Angle QPR, and the value of angle QPR is 25 degree. So 2 into 25 degree, it will become 50 degree. So the value of B is angle QOR is B. So the value of B is 50 degree. Now we have to find angle C, and we will discuss triangle PXQ, and in this way we will find the value of C. Now students, we will discuss triangle QOP. In triangle QOP, OP is congruent to OQ, radii of semicircle, radii of circle. So angle OQP will be equal to angle OPQ, and angle OPQ we have found out that is of 50 degree. So here I will write 50 degree. Angle OQP will be 50 degree, because angle OPQ is 50 degree, because angle ROS and angle QPOR corresponding angle, so it is 50 degree, and we have found out that angle OQP is a 50 degree. And students, this angle is already we have found out that is 25 degree. Now we will discuss triangle PHQ, and it is written as in triangle PHQ, sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 25 degree plus C plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of 25 and 50, and we will get 75 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree, and 75 is plus. When we transfer it to the other side, it will become minus. So 180 degree minus 75 degree. So the value of angle C is 105 degree, and that is angle PHO. And in this way we have found out all the three angles. Students, practice number 7, question number 1. There is a circle and A, B, C, D are the points on the circumference of the circle, and AC and BD are intersecting each other at point X, and angle CAB is 44 degree and angle ACD is 25 degree. We have to find angle CDX. We have to find angle CDX and we name it as angle A. We have to find A, and angle ABX. ABX is this angle, we name it as angle B. And students, at the third place we have to find angle CXB and we name it as angle D. So students, we have to find the value of angle A, B and D. And given is angle CAB is 44 degree, angle DCA is 25 degree. So students, for finding out the value of A, I will draw an arc. BADC is an arc like this. So on this arc, all the angles that are made by joining the point with C and B will be circumangle, and on this angle is equal to angle A because both are circumangle. Again I am explaining it, students. Arc BADC, as I have shown, is the circumarc, and if we take any point on this arc and join that point with C and B, then again take another point and join that point with C and B, then both the angles are called circumangle, and the value of circumangle is equal because circumangle is half of central angle and both the angles are circumangle. So both angles will be equal to half of central angle, so both will be equal. So angle A or angle CDB will be congruent to angle CAB, and it is written as circumangle. So angle CDB is A degree and angle CAB is 44 degree. So the value of angle A is 44 degree. Now students, we have to find the value of angle B. Now look, B is the circumangle of the arc BACD, as well as angle C is the circumangle of arc CDAB, as we take a point on C and join it with D and A, and another point B and join it with D and A. So these two angles are also circumangle. So angle B is congruent to angle C, and reason is circumangle. Again I am explaining, students. Now the arc is, remove these dots, and now we are discussing the arc DCBA, and take 2 points C and B and join them with D and A. So this angle and this angle, both the points are joining D and A. So angle C is congruent to angle B, and these angles are circumangles. So again I will write angle DBA, angle DBA will be equal to angle DCA, and reason is circumangles. So students, angle DBA is B, we have to find, and the value of angle DCA is 25 degree. So students, we have find it out the value of angle A and angle B. Now students, we will discuss triangle BAX, in which angle D is an exterior angle, and it is written in triangle ABX. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So students, D is an exterior angle of triangle BAX, as AX is produced, so D is an exterior angle and its opposite interior angles are 44 and B. So D is equal to 44 degree plus B, and the value of B is 25. So in place of B I will write 25 degree and sum of both the numbers, and we will have 69 degree. That is the value of D, and D is angle BHC. So we have found out the value of all the three unknown angles. Students, question number 2 of practice note 7 is, there is a circle with center O, and this angle I can name it as A, B, C and D. There are 4 points on the circumference of the circle A, B, C and D, and angle ACD is 25 degree. We have to find angle AOD, that is central angle, as well as we have to find angle ABD. Students, think carefully that ABCD is the arc, and point B and C are 2 points on the arc, and these 2 points are joining with A and D, as well as this point is joining with A and D. So these 2 angles are circumangle, and circumangle is are always congruent, and angle AOD is central angle of arc ACD, as well as an angle ABD. So X is twice of angle C, and angle B is congruent to angle C because both are circumangles. So it is written as angle ABD is congruent to angle ACD, and reason is both are circumangles. I mean to say circumangles mean that the angles on the same arc are called circumangle. So angle B is of Y, so it is written as Y, and angle ACD is 25 degree. So the value of Y is 25 degree. Now students, angle AOD is equal to twice of circumangle, and that is angle ACD, and it is written as central angle is equal to twice of circumangle. So students, angle AOD is of X degree. So here I will write X is equal to 2 into angle ACD is of 25 degree. So in place of angle ACD I will write 25 degree. Now multiply both the numbers and the value of X will be 50 degree. So students, it is the value of X and the value of Y is 25 degree. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.